What you doing, BB? This is what BB likes to do in his spare time. Hey, Scott here, Scotty's Animals. I'm with BB. Let's do a check-in. Let's check in with all the pets. Billy's gonna get his cage cleaned today. What? What's up, Billy? He's doing well. He is weighing in at well over 1,500 grams. Last time I weighed him, he was over 1,600 grams. He's doing great. Okay, let's check in. Let's check in with Timmy and Mike. What? So Mike, Timmy are doing very well. Timmy is staying on the regimen of pain medicine, and he also gets his calcium supplement. In addition, he has his light. That light, it looks pretty bright, but I think they only last a certain amount. You can get them tested at pet stores, I understand, but I'm going to go ahead and order him a new one pretty soon. But I put him on the floor the other day, and he was running around, not much hobbling. So, and they get along great. Right? Hmm? Who's next, BB? Next is Gary. Hey, Gary. Hey, Gare Bear. Gary's been doing real well. You want a chin scratch? Not a finger bite. You want a chin scratch? He lifts his chin up when he wants a chin scratch sometimes. I'll do it. Gary's been doing really well. He loves his new loft. He's up there quite a lot. One thing I've noticed about Gary is he has been chewing on his log. He's one of the few piggies that I hear chewing on him. But I can hear him late at night, chomp, chomp, chomp. As long as his poops are good and he's eating his hay and his pellets, then that's what matters. What are you doing, Pipsqueak? Come here. Oh, I love this little sweet Pipsqueak. He's growing up. He's turning into a boar. He's turning into an adult. Come here, bud. But he's pretty blind. I shined a light, which if his irises react, then that's supposed to mean that, whoa, careful, that he has some light sensitivity. Oh, all right. You squirmer. Come here. He's doing great. I just wish I could find him a buddy. I wish I could find all my single boys buddies, but whenever I try to pair them up in any combination, there's fighting. How's Nate doing? Nate, come out of the space house. Nate's doing good. Come here, Nate. Nate and Snoop have been getting along okay. Of course, Snoop is the dominant one, so he chases Nate around a little bit. But it's amazing to see him fly up and down this ramp. He's like, uh-oh, I don't want to go there. Come here, Snoopy. We're talking about you. But Nate's growing up. He's becoming a little less shy of me. Right, buddy? Hey. This loft thing has really helped allow me to get in there and feed them and let them be more comfortable with me. Come here. So Nate's getting a little tamer with me. just because I grab him and I hold him. But look, Nate, he's still the baby of the group. Stop it. Move your butt. So I just spend time with Nate. And how's Snoopy? Snoopy's doing good. He's kind of, sometimes he's a jerk to little Nate. But overall, they get along great. They're both, as right as they chatter, they're chattering because I've been chasing them around. Relax. Relax. Boys, work it out. Snoop's in trouble. He's in trouble for chattering. Don't you do that. Gotta know their personalities and kind of what they're willing to tolerate. And if they've proven to get along, they never actually fight. They never bite each other. And I know because I pick them up very frequently and I feel for scratches. And I feel for bites. Who else do we have around here? Hi, Nails. Well, Nails' coat has actually gotten super thick and fluffy. Hi. Hello. Oh, your baby. How's Nails doing? Nails is doing great. Everyone's been asking me how Nails is. He is wonderful. You know when a piggy is better because they're squirmy and strong and they're squirmy and strong and they can't sit still. Nails. You still smell good from your last bath. So we'll see. We'll see about Nails. Who's next? And we have Piggy Smalls in his lidded cage because he's such an escape artist. Hi, Piggy Smalls. Piggy Smalls did have a respiratory infection. He's been on antibiotics for about a week and a half. He was constantly sneezing, and now he's not constantly sneezing, although he's sneezing a little bit. But he was like, pff, pff, pff. I've been feeding him also rolled oats and forage mix with his pellets and hay because I'm trying to encourage him to eat as much as possible. And he's been getting double and triple whatever veggies everyone else is getting, just to try to put some weight on him. But maybe he's just an older piggy that's just skinny. But still, when you have a cold, it doesn't hurt to eat as much as you can. But he's a really nice guy. He comes out, he is very communicative, very sweet. He hates the antibiotics with a passion. But he's here, he's getting better, and he'll be available for adoption. Unless by some magical miracle he happens to pair up with one of my boys. I haven't really tried. He smells everybody on my hands. You purring? Everybody smells everybody. So that's the pigs. That's all the piggies that we've got. Right, I got everybody. We got the fish in the fish tank. These 4 fish. And everyone's doing okay in there. This one guy right here has a little swollen fin. But I've been using the Melafix, and we'll see if it doesn't get 100% better very quickly. Who else? The only other animals in here. The only other animals in here are the fish in the other room. Sam, the bristlenose plecostomus, right? And then the Danios. There's only 2 Danios. Oh, and the loach. I guess he's a clown loach. Let's go check him out. Let's feed Sam. So I've got this light because I am actually trying to grow algae on the side of my tank because I have a plecostomus named Sam. Where is he? There's the Danios. And then this is my loach. And it's really not a very full tank at all. It's like a 30-something gallon tank, but that's all the fish that's in it. And then some snails, of course. Once you get snails like this, they're pretty hard to get rid of completely. But I'm not worried about it. Let's see if we can find Sam. He's always hiding. I gotta give him his food. I blanch zucchini, which means I just chop it and then let it cook for a couple minutes. That's just so that it sinks, so that they can eat it. The loach, actually, he really likes to eat it too, but it's mainly meant for Sam. There was Sam. There he goes. Did you see him? There he is. There he goes. There he is. There he goes. My hands are all wet. Sam's a bristlenose plecostomus. There's a better view of him. Well, that's where he's hidden himself. Great camouflage. So I'll put up a picture of what a bristlenose plecostomus would look like and what their mouth looks like when all the bristles come out, because it's pretty awesome. And I've had Sam since about 2005, so he's almost 15 years old. So that's everybody. The only thing that I think I didn't actually mention was the ram's horn snails in the goldfish tank. So let's take a look at them. Thanks for watching, everybody. This guy's got algae growing on his shell. Bloop. Blurp. Blurp. There you can see why they call them ram's horn snails. I mean, they just look like a ram's horn.